Database for meetings?
Devlog formula.
I'm creating the sandbox constructor Leposden Vibe. The game features a character editor, and I'm making it as flexible as possible, so that everyone can create a character to their liking. You know how it is in games. Sometimes you pick an outfit, but the color doesn't match. You want to tweak the details a bit, but there are no proper settings. In Leposden Vibe, that's not a problem. You can adjust not only the standard parameters, but also small details, to make your character look exactly the way you want. If you have any ideas about what the editor is missing, leave a comment. I am developing this game together with the community. In the next videos I will reveal even more features of the game, so make sure to subscribe. And if you want to influence the game's development, take part in polls and share your ideas, check out my Patreon page. There I share plans, post updates and invite players to exclusive game tests. Oh my god. Classic me. Sorry for this thing. And let me just close the windows. Somehow, even now, we have a really strong outside sounds. Again, sorry for this scuffed start. Welcome to Wednesday stream. My name is Sergey Lizhnevich. I'm indie game developer and I'm creating a game called Prohibition Vibe. Yarotaro, audio problems. Yes, hello Yarotaro. Yes, I just found. I clicked, enable mic, but I misclick and this enabled the sound from these things instead of mic. That was quite unfortunate. So again, I'm back and here everything is going to be great. The voice is back. Yes. So let me introduce again. I'm game developer and I'm creating the game called Prohibition Vibe. This is the development stream. I develop the game in real time. I chat with viewers, with community, with players, and together we create something interesting and unique. We create the game, the sandbox. I had many great thoughts before that when the mic was turned off. So right now this is a little bit scuffed, I know. I am the person of the flow. No pre-made stuff, I would say. So, tell me how about this stream? Just in case. So, if you are the new viewer, welcome. By the way, currently I stream on to Steam right now. There might be some, I don't know. Yes, I'm just checking this thing. Yes, I'm on Steam. So, good day, Rotara, good day. I will run the review trailer as usual for those who a little bit confused. Sorry for this scuffed start, and I will explain in more details a little bit after this review trailer. Curious about what this game is and who made it? Let me tell you all about it. Hello, my name is Sergey and my brother's name is Alexander. We are indie game developers and we are creating a game called Prohibition Vibe. This is our a dream project and we are really excited to share about it with you. Prohibition Vibe is an immersive simulator inspired by synthwave and 80s aesthetics. And in this game, really the creativity and freedom come first. For example, want to relax? We have a sandbox game mode with really no objectives and limits. Craving action? Jump into classic shooter game modes with dynamic combat. Love racing? Organize arcade-style races with your friends. Team up with players. Dive into social dynamics. Solve challenges. Outsmart your rivals. That's not all. Prohibition Vibe lets you create your own worlds. We have a built-in map editor, modding support, and even a programming language, so you can bring your ideas to life right in the game. Prohibition Vibe is a game where you can customize everything to your liking. The interface style, the atmosphere, the vehicles, and even the game rules. And best of all, it supports VR and multiplayer. You can not only play, but also create unique sessions with your friends. And you know what's the best part? The game is free. No microtransactions. It's our gift to everyone who loves creative freedom. But to keep the project growing, we need your support. We are completely independent developers with no investors. The entire game was created out of pure passion. If you'd like to help us, consider subscribing to our Patreon or Boosty. Your contribution will help us add new content, improve the game, and grow the community. This is just the beginning. If you like the idea, tell your friends, share this video, or support us on a Patreon or Boosty. Every step you take is a huge help for us. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon in Leporzdian Vibe. Bye. So here I am again. This is the Devlog stream, and we're going to develop the game. By the way, yes, you just saw the game is free, and this is gonna be really something interesting. Someday I will prepare the cool graphic materials someday, but for now it is what it is. But still it's quite clear what we are going to do. So currently I'm still loading the project. It will take a couple of seconds and we will start. So how are you, Yarataro? Welcome back. Glad to be with you again. Actually today we have a little expanding of our streams. I started streaming on Steam. Have no idea what will happen. I disabled Kick right now because the OBS said that I eventually I don't have enough internet speed to broadcast everywhere. So I got like 50% frame drops. So I decided to turn off the Kick for a while. I don't know. Let's test this team. I have no idea about this team. Basically I just okay, let me pull the loading screen. So this is the loading stream. New improvements. So the current task for today, third quest 2.0. Yes. So we are trying to do this Steam thing. Last time when I was back, actually these previous days they were like not really productive. I did something, but in general I don't know, I guess I just had my days of nothing doing. Stream 38. I'm fine. I was waiting for more cool from you. Thank you for your kind words. Yes, I will show you something more cool. I will show you. So In general, I thought about adding the death cam. Did some experiments with death cam last time. So when we got like hit, for example, by AI or player, I would try to spawn the camera like on this side of the screen and like showing who, what are the stats and other stuff. But I kind of faced with visual glitch with render target. The render target ignores the lumens, you know. Actually, we will see no cool like these graphics, just like super plain stuff. I don't know. So I was not really happy about this thing. But you know, actually I think maybe should I still like add some, you know, extra like this thing come across and we see the data about opponent. I don't know, the current stats, maybe accuracy thing, achievement, version, maybe like this. The stats about other players without cam. Maybe this is gonna be an interesting thing. What do you think? This is like need to be tested. Because might be need to be expanded. Let me turn on the music. Is this the volume is okay? Yes. Next thing, I've added new chat command. I don't know, I feel like the music is too loud. Maybe this is just my speakers. Testing day. Yes, I think it's kind of a testing day. So this is the death cam thing. Probably I will do some tests, you know. Actually, I realized that we need to do a lot of work with AI. I'm really not happy with AI. And I need to remake this thing. Like, you know, I had like the suggestion, or like this would be nice if my brother asked me to do the AI like in old game called Fear, when the AI, so far as I understand, this game is like has the most advanced AI in games history of the shooters, I guess so. or at least people say this thesis. I checked the couple of YouTube videos, and people, the volume is good so far. Okay, thank you. I've checked the feedback about the AI of the Fear game, and people praise the AI. Some of them they build the theories, some of them they just like show how this works, and actually this level is quite achievable. It's quite achievable. I will try to do this. Anyway, I wanted to do this anyway. This is like just good to imagine if we had this level of AI. But again, I need to review my AI code from the very beginning. Currently, I have like I use behavior tree with behavior tree tournament. This is bad. I have two tournament behavior tree. We shouldn't have the same. Where? What? What's going on? Anyway, this is, yes, we shouldn't have this the same name. I got it. My media player crashed. And again crashed. What? This was weird. Yep, Fear is famous for that, Half-Life as well. Yes. The Half-Life is... Yes, this is again the perfect reference. Again, like, I don't know, we already have the best games in our history currently. Like, yes, Half-Life, some sort of like Bloodlines, Gothic, these old games like Splinter Cell, like everything is out there, but we somehow cannot hold the standards of those old games. Somehow, I don't know why this happening. With all the resources we have, really not many impressive things we have. But as for the Baldur's Gate, I started playing this thing, but again, still I'm at the beginning. I have no time basically to play them all. The media player is testing itself. Yes. So this is the map currently look like. So this is like the panorama. We will definitely add some visuals to this thing. And currently I'm like super in a programming thing, do this like development design thing. Like my brother eventually come across and remake the whole map. This is just like me, like do the test. And my brother said he is currently working on the first map, like Vibe City, on this mansion, this house. He said he made the whole he made the really huge job. He really happy about what he got. and I haven't seen this yet. He's like keeping me in the secret as well. But he said that this is gonna be super awesome. Everything is modular and looks beautiful. As for this map, I have plans to do this in some sort of throne design. Throne, or how to pronounce correctly, throne or throne. So this is like the one map. These points are like the assault. We need to destroy them. The flag to capture. And the domination points. And we start the game and select the next thing here. So today plan is to, I would say, work with AI, but I worked with the AI yesterday, and like I realized I need to spend more time on I don't know, research, maybe like reading documentation, extra thing, because the behavior tree is kind of convenient, but I'm kind of confused with this thing, and I'm planning to make the hybrid between like simple blueprints and the behavior tree. So currently this is like the behavior tree for the AI. I'm kind of confused why these look like this. Yes, I was like, what was going on? We have like no state, basically just idle if nothing going on. We wait, set max walk speed, and go to patrol state. This is the patrol state. We clear our focus, and if we have no weapon, we try to search weapon. In this sub tree, if we try to select, we try to navigate. I need to add the exception like to do the roaming if this fails. After that we check our like health condition. If we are like injured, we try to search basically the same thing but for the health. And extra, if we're like okay with health, try to search an armor. If these things are like failed, we go into the combat state, and again we try to do repeat this thing. Like if we are like injured, we try to find health and armor and energy, and like with percentage chance like search another weapon, and basically do the tournament task, like go to capture the flag, capture assault point. And currently I have failed with this attack the assault point. Capture domination point, capture the flag, and failed condition, attack the assault point. So this thing I will remake. I need to check like, so I faced like with this thing like the AI turns too fast, and I would like really have more control over the aim. Currently the aim of the AI is pretty rough. If to search vibe on Steam, Lipochny vibe is the third, but no stream on the games page. Okay. The third? The third? There are a couple of vibe games. No stream. Lepozdian vibe search.
Curious about
I have no idea how this works, but I guess I don't see yes. What's the point then? If Twitch or if Steam does not show my stream. Steam. Steam broadcast visibility community broadcast store not visible, your watch page, Steam stores. Okay, so this thing actually I set everything as public. Yes, these things shows me like kind of like community. So this thing visible only for the community who is like watching the community in the Steam. But how to make this total public? Have no idea. Maybe I need to like add the something went wrong while displaying this content. Loading chunk failed, missing blah blah blah, missing I don't know the dots. So yes, the stream on Steam is not working, or it's currently visible only for myself and for my community. This is weird. Steam, can I? Can I make the event? How to make the event on Steam? I made this thing like hub admin. Broadcasts, and go to my own broadcast, enter the name. Okay, so let's do the technical stuff. How my broadcast code. I'm not sure that I can show these things. I don't know. Match broadcast title, match ID, because sometimes, as far as I understand, the Twitch, for example, the Twitch not allowed to show the settings in the store page, for example. So I can make the event or announcement I made the preparation things like yesterday. The artwork slid file. This is not easy to launch an event on Steam, so I need to fill up like the form. I need to fill up the form. I need to fill up the description. I need to fill up the banners. Description on English, maybe even on other languages. I don't know. So here is the link to the broadcast on Steam. Maybe this will do something, like, I don't know. I don't know. So the test successfully failed. Like this requires much more like engagement into the like filtering the content. So I tried to post the Discord integration into the Steam. Like for example, if you go to like Twitter, for example, or like Discord, you just type something, hey, new integration Discord, here's the funny GIF, and that's it, and you are ready to go. But in Steam you have to write the title, write the short description, write the detailed description, post the preview banner, post the small banner, post a super small banner, translate this into other languages, and just to post one thing. It works. 2 viewers. Yes, this like 2 viewers, but I have no idea why is this like, why this thing is available or not available on Steam. You know, like there might be some recommendations for even like Kick or Twitch, like YouTube. Hey, someone is streaming, check this out. Does this team do? Is this team has something similar? I have no idea. Have no idea. Thank you for the testing. This says to me like community your watch page, store not visible. That's it. If I click to my store thing, like I just like go to my page and that's it. Maybe I made this stream in the wrong way. I need to announce the event. After I announce event, I will be able to broadcast this on Steam. So, yes. Let it be like there. Maybe someday. Maybe I'm not eligible for making these streams on the Steam right now. So, about let's do the work. Currently I am like a little bit struggling right now, so this is gonna be the third floor. I'm planning like to do the stealth thing, so we need to avoid these forbidden areas. I have the plans that when we enter the forbidden area, I think we will do like a debuff. I will add the buff and notification. So when we are in this area, there will be like one shot kill, I guess so. So this is like, this gives like the sense of danger, I guess so, for the player, like for the camera, like I don't know. So I'm currently a little bit confused about the deduction thing, and I'm not happy with AI. So this thing, the third quest, is gonna like, is gonna be really hard thing to do. So let's do at least something. Okay, effects. So this is the panel of the effects. Get effects. For forbidden, I just want to add the icon, so the player will understand that he is or she is in the forbidden zone. So currently I have like on the left screen, like here, the list of all effects on the character, and we can like point on them and see the description. Add widget effect. This is just the icon and the data table of the effects. Add new effect. Is in forbidden area. Icon. Description. Forbidden area. Icon. And as for the icon, add icon and make something like select icon or warning, the warning. And here we are, the warning. So right now we should have this notification. So just like put this thing down. Somewhere like when we are here, we will be like in a warning zone. Booster inventory slot. What is? Oh, I forgot. Inventory booster. So remove this thing. In-game statistics. Inventory booster. So I've added new talent. Talent for the inventory. So currently we have two talents. The first talent we use to... Okay, so it should be transferred automatically. The first talent we use... So let me just check this icon. So I'm in the zone and I see nothing. Somehow. What is going on? Okay, so statistics, talents. Currently we have two talents, the cooldown and the inventory. The cooldown basically, and again, the version of our player is like how many talents we have. We don't know exactly which one, but if we see other player, we see the version, and the high version, we have the suggestion that the player is experienced. So inventory and cooldown. Cooldown is basically 1 second. The 5 is 1 second. Reduce cooldown, so we can gain experience much faster. The inventory, basically we add the extra 5 inventory slots. So we have the version 1, desktop version 1. This we will see like this on the other players. What other thing was? Yes, visuals for the second floor. New cheat command heal. New cheat command. So if we type in chat command heal, I will be like get healed. So I type the command twice, like in both chats, YouTube and Twitch. So I got healed twice. And basically this heal goes to like 200 at the maximum. So the chatters in streamers, they can help like to streamer in the game, like in more advanced, like again player jump, atmosphere, heal. And I guess we can add the energy, and I don't know, energy, or how to call this thing. Add some energy. Let's create the energy command. So this is like really simple to expand this thing. So I just go to player human. I don't know, I'm kind of double heal. Huh. Double heal? You think this is like double heal? I can add this, like, so here's the example how to like add the command heal energy. So I just got my energy. Server add energy. Max value 200 and energy 20. Okay, and that's it. Almost there. So I just only 2 things left. I need to add basically to description, just to let players know about this command. So just heal. So I energy, this energy gives player extra energy. And the last thing, I just go to my streamer bot. Where are they? Commands, Lipožni vibe commands, register new command, energy. That's it. Okay. So if we go to the game, we should be able to add energy. You can try this thing as well. So energy. So yes, I got the energy, and I type in the YouTube heal, and I got the heal. Double heal, maybe should we add double heal, Irotaro? And how to manage this thing? So in theory, like I can if you the big subscriber, and I know basically this thing comes from the streamer bot. Oh yeah, oi. He was super accurate. So I think today we will do some weapons fixes. Let me... Okay, custom event. Up. I will collapse this thing. Add custom event. Bind UDP commands. Like this, and bind UDP commands if it fits. In what we got here? Actions. Triggers, Twitch, chat, chat message. Oh, yes. Commands. Like here we are. Lipogen vibe commands. So this is basically the whole settings. So you just type what you want to be played, and that's it. And from where? From YouTube and from Twitch, and the cooldown, and the permissions, user permissions, for a specific user only use this command, and for the subscribers, these are the defaults, I guess. So add user. Okay. Only you allowed this thing. Huh. Okay. So let's do the test. I will type something and you also. Heal. Okay, so I got no response. But if you type something, I should be able to get the response. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Then what about this thing? Trigger zone, forbidden zone. Forbidden zone, okay. Okay. Effects. I need to check the effects. Effects. Character effects. Misclick. Unwrap is wet. Call update effects dispatch. Custom event client update effects icons. So basically, when we enter into this zone, we set the reference, we replicate this thing, and I also add the effect update icons after the server on client only, on owner thing. This should do the trick with these icons. Currently I use this multicast because I don't need to have any effects on the character. This should work. Yes, here I am. I don't see like the icons, so I probably need to make the effects. effect, get to tip widget, description. Visible. Visible. I guess I have some sort of problem with order. Effects. I'm confused. Why I made this such not convenient way? Huh? I guess I will remake this thing. So currently I have like yes, now this thing works. This was like the order thing. Currently I have like this forbidden zone, forbidden area. Perhaps I just need to expand the description. Forbidden area, yeah, like you will get like a one-shot kill, something like that. And I have the chill zone. For example, you cannot die in this zone, and you cannot kill anybody in this zone. So okay, so this thing works. And add the functionality of it. So we go to health. Health. Parameter health. Where the math? The math is here. Take damage. Owning owner is component owned by player. This one. Just like from the beginning. If like not do this the same logic, like blah blah blah, math, do this or that. I want to make the one specific check at the beginning. Are we the owner, like we the player? So we get the owner, we get component by class, effects is in okay, forbidden. Are we in the forbidden zone? If false, do the same thing. If true, like make the like instant death. Like if we got any shot, we set our health to 0. we set like we are dead, we do the math, for example, for the game mods, like who, why, or what, and basically that's it. So if we are in this zone, we will get like instant shot from any damage, any amount of damage. Now, what we're gonna do now? Next thing I want to make the deduction game finished state. So currently I need to one more go to UI, gameplay points. So currently each game mod I have the points, navigation helpers. So if like, for example, just in case if you get lost, like we need to destroy these points. If we click on them, we see them all. So like we need to destroy this thing. And see the outcome. Oh my, we need a lot of damage. Yes, currently AI just goes to this point, but it cannot. Why is this damage so low? Oh, okay. So I want to redo this redo the thing for the for social deduction game. Mafia. Main computer widget class. Huh. Is this so simple? You killed AI, finally humanity is free. Not yet, not yet. Again, if we return back to... okay, streamer bot again. The streamer bot again disabled. I just like accidentally saw your message on the browser tab. Maybe I can do the risky thing. Let me know how the stream will be like lagging thing. I enabled the kick as well, just like who knows. If the quality will drop, we will drop this thing as well. So I'm gonna go to like training grounds and switch the current game mode to start show deduction. Nothing happened. Why? Start social deduction. So I disabled the points and I need to teleport player. To upstairs. The exactly location 20k50 0 6100. Okay, 6100, that's it. The rotation 180 plus, and enable the mafia. I need to rename this thing from the mafia to social deduction. Okay. So currently I see the what do we have here? Okay. So initially, social deduction game, this worked and currently working like this. We have like the folder, I guess so. Yes, folder. Let me find this item folder. Wipe files, you know. How this stream is going on? Is this stable or what? No, quality drop, but some shots like from time to time. Okay, so I guess I have not enough internet connection. I disable the kick. The Steam, okay, like let's leave it like. Let's and again check the. We will check the. How to say? The video storage thing. Will be this thing erased or not? So again, files. Like the original idea was like collecting the files and put them into this PC and send them. And if you are the glitcher, for example, the virus, in other words, if you send these files, there will be some consequences. I need to remember what are they exactly, but it's kind of like you will lose the match. Oh my god. Oh my god, the turret. I forgot about this thing. I have the turret. Impossible. Inventory is full, but you still. Interesting, kind of the bug. So we go to file scan, and I cannot. So I got problems with UI. So in the, I dropped my folders here. Send them like scan. When like the more folders you send, the more like this scan progress will be like slower, but the more these get the experience, total experience, and you like eventually you will be able to basically the current task is fulfill this progress bar, and then the mission will be completed. But if the virus fulfill this progress bar, like inject the virus, you will lose. Sounds kind of like frustrating, and I totally get it. So I'm not like really happy with this current gameplay like loop. So is the quality stabilized? So, and I'm currently planning to do rework of this thing. So, for example, I want to add the options like Like initially I had the previously other game mode. It was like speed running. If you would like, you can check my first streams. I just did the speed run of my own maps. And it turned out like I was thinking this was pointless. So basically I had to run to the point, get to the point, just click on it, and this point was like completed. And that's it. The game mode was completed, and I was like thought like this is a little bit like pointless. But these mechanics, they are quite interesting here in this specific game mode. So we need to place these points somewhere in the zones. Like for example, we can put this point, we need to deactivate here near the camera and near the turret, for example. And this point is here. So if you go here and try, like you will like instantly get shot, and you will basically no quality drop, but some short lags from time to time. I hope this will be fine. Like I don't know, maybe this thing needs to have some time to adaptate. And maybe again I just like I close my streams, like just watching them. So, and this is gonna be a one-shot kill. So player needs to act like really in a safe mode. And for example, other players can make the one shot. So if someone like is a virus and you do not know this thing, he will like instantly kill. But the kill is not over. We have like quarantine capsules. In this specific game mode, you have couple of lives. You have couple of them. After the death, the life of the amount of life is customizable again. After the death, you go into these quarantine capsules. These like basically this is the cells, the locked place. You will be able to observe, be inside of this thing. The other players will not see you inside of here. You will have like other different the post-process effects, you know, and you can be released from this thing. So this is like the small, like it wasn't me, it was by chance. I don't know what happened. Something like this. But from the start of the stream, there is a huge lag between sending messages from me and their arrival to you. So yes, from the start, I guess I messed up with my like OBS. Like actually, at the beginning, I had like 50-60 frame drops %. I started like four of them. And currently I have 11% of drops. So I think I should maybe I should add some extra like internet speed connection or just if I restart the stream, everything will be just fine. Well, I don't know. This today is like a really experimenting day with like Steam. Perhaps I will do the experiment on the Sunday stream. And on Sunday stream we will see how this thing works. So basically this is the second chance for the players. The second chance for like to revenge, for example, or like try to do the sneaky plan once again. For example, if you are the traitor. So I will put these things somewhere here. These are the places where hard to get in and out, for example, like on this specific map. You need to do the some extra body movements. So this is currently just the design process. Making the map. So my plans is to make the smart AI, as I said before, like fear, some sort of. I just need to understand on the. I just need to do the experiments with AI in more deep state. My current I want to find the solution just to play around with aiming. So for example, currently my AI works is like set focus on the target. These things look like this. So when you set focus, AI will like do this thing. Like basically that's it. So this is the focus state. I want to make this thing to work like this. This is the my goal, primary goal, to make AI work like this. And this opens like the huge variance of smart AI. Like look behind, like who was there, like, and like you will get caught. And after that I will like add the awareness. So currently the AI, my AI can hear you, can get hits, can see you, but I will expand these things like for the stealth mechanics, like if the AI like, well actually I want to maybe create the stealth sub mod for this specific game mode, something like that. So this is the first step I need to figure out basically. and this opens like basically the AI smart of the fear level from like my subjective perspective. So this is the second thing. So when we die, we automatically transform into these spheres. And other players, they can free us from these spheres. Like we need to have the key or the lockpicks. As for the lockpicks and the key, again, I was thinking about this thing yesterday, and I'm thinking like maybe I will remove the lockpicks from the game and move the functionality of the lockpick to the key. So the key will work like as a lockpick. You need to spend the time in order to unlock the door if this door is locked, and you can lock this door. And this thing depends on will depend on your energy level. So the doors, they have like unlit. The doors, they have like I don't see, but they have the difficulty level, and this level is random as far as I remember, as far as I understand right now. I don't remember where this thing door. I don't remember what is interact point cube. Interesting. Where is this thing? I lost this. So as far as I remember, in my code I got like the randomization, the difficulty of the lock. It means that you can initialize like initial lock difficulty. So like if you like, here's the UI. These are the progress bars. So I decided to remove to not add any mini games. I could like real-time playing, but this will annoy player. Like definitely this will annoy player on the like time 100. So I just put these simple progress bars. If the lockpick like is hard, you will get like this, like any amount of lockpicks, and you just need to wait. So I will currently I spend the items amount. So if we need to open the lock with difficulty like 5, we need 5 lockpicks. But I think I will remove this thing to like not 5 lockpicks, but like 50 energy, something like that. You can use 50 energy to unlock the door, and you can set lock the door using the energy. Like again, if you spend like 50 energy, you lock the door for 50 energy. Currently the key works like instantly, open and close like instantly. I will redo this thing. Sleep. And this is gonna be the unique thing even for these spheres. You need to spend energy. If you go to this energy and you want to freeze someone, you need an energy. You need some amount of it. And how to get energy? Like, there are a lot of ways. So currently, if for this the tournament mode, we use these pickups. You can have the pickups in this game mode, or you can have like the drinks. You can sit on the lounger, like a lot of other possibilities. And like for the game interest, I will put this thing somewhere here. So in order to get this, we need to go here, for example, jump here, release, and after that we should go like somewhere here, you know, like creating extra ways and routes. So this game I kind of planning to make some sort of maze game. So I guess the plan for today is making the let me check the streams. Again, make everything is like make a quest, I guess so. Okay, this looks nice. So currently let's do this like a very simple way. In this game mode we need to go to this we need to go to these points and just activate them all. This is kind of like a little bit a stealth game mode. We need to avoid these things, and other players also can interfere us. So here we are on this. Okay, I will remove this thing from here. Put somewhere here. On this point, when we activate this thing, Zero activated game mode red. Let's remake this thing. Get mafia. Server. Add to current progress. Maybe this one. Add completed points. Add completed points. Okay, like this. And here, for example, completed points. Let's make the check. Get all actors of class. I will use this thing. Server main lens on the server side. If this thing is greater or equal the length, we will complete this game mode. I have it like in plans to add some extra like cool things, but let's do this like right now, like this. Okay, these the checks. Is this current game mode? Okay, is this like, are we in the currently in the game mode? Or maybe, you know what? We'll put this thing before everything. Like, are we in the game mode mafia? Like, if we do this like logic. Huh? Remove this thing. Is this session set? Okay, and let's another check. Is session status like already finished? We again do nothing. Prevent extra finish. So here we are. If this okay, set win team, antivirus. Okay, this is like deprecated thing. Server set session status finished. Antivirus. I need to check out the. Oh yes, I remember. So this thing with folders. We send the files and we do not know if this file has the virus. We will know this only at the end of the send. And if we like got the virus progression system, so the virus, they see that this is the virus, and you know, like, so if the virus got the specific amount of this thing, like we will be like the virus will win this game. So again, sorry for like I'm like cannot explain this thing because I'm not quite sure of it. I'm currently remaking this thing. So anyway, like let's just do this finish thing. So we have 2 points. If we activate them all, we finish this game mode. So 1. This thing activated, but still we have like this. I need to update the total amount. And here we are. Antivirus wins. Okay. Perfect. I think this is good enough right now. And let's check the turret. One shot kill. Yes, one shot kill. We go into the this sphere, and basically so since we like the only one player, we are located here. These things look like this. We see what is the outside. But other players will see us like this. But we see like this. So this is just like the trick. Replication trick. Okay. Light. We will make this atmosphere to something like the night. So again, let's add this thing. Where is the quest? How to make this thing happen? Okay, get game state, get player array, get new fight AI versus antivirus. Antivirus wins. Antivirus. AI versus antivirus. Eventually, like I planning to add the AI who is like, yes, the kernel is kind of AI who is against the viruses, and we will like work with other AI like kernel like army. They will prevent us like from like go away from here. Like if you're like not going away, I will like really push you back to this quarantine capsule, and then you will lose this thing. They will be like the guards. Probably I will add maybe some hostile AI. So basically this is gonna be like stealth Mission Impossible thing. Get controller, get instigator controller, get component by class, atmosphere settings, set atmo set preset atmosphere, and for example night 1. Night 1, and actually we can go I will set this atmosphere to everybody for each loop. For each player, I will set this atmosphere to night. And I need the dispatcher. If player will try to replace the atmosphere to the day night, for example, like to make everything like easier for himself or herself, I will like firstly like make this atmosphere back to night and add the comment like currently we have a training, like something like that. But again, this I might not need this, because I just realized that I just put the walls everywhere and we will have no light like physically. I just realized this thing. We don't need to make this complicated thing code. So I just put everything like this and we will have like complete dark. Okay. Now, now we have the night here. As for these zones, let's disable them visibility. But I want to add, the post process. And I will add the effect material, choose select glitch post process, just the temporal post process. So we will see like are we in this hidden game, are we in this area? So we will see like we are here. Oh yes, that's it. now the real stealth. We need to do the balance, find the visible path, disable or enable these lights. If we disable them, the AI will not be able to see us. But currently these lights, they are not support the our visibility, so they do not affect. So I need to fix this thing.
So for example, if I put this light, the AI will react to us, like he will understand that we are visible, but for this they do not know us visibility, that we are visible. So let's add this thing. So how this works? Okay, so basically sphere. Should I use this sphere? Why not? Why? Post-process. This is like indefinite. I was like thinking what was going on. Why I still see the post-process? Unbound set to false. Okay. This radius is enough. I cannot destroy this light yet, so this thing needs to be done. Okay, street light. Set is damaged. Set is damaged. If this, okay, if not, how would they turn on state? Street light. How this thing works? I don't remember. I guess set this is much complicated thing. So when turn off, start with slide, turn on state. Let's do this. Is this damaged? If this thing is damaged, so I'm gonna turn off the light. Turn off, on. Huh? The error. Set spotlight. Damaged. I don't. My damage is not public. Okay. So if this thing is damaged, I turn off the spotlight. I set this conus set to visibility to false. And as for the light itself, I set the material zero and 2. To digitals. Okay. Where am I? So this is when we damage this thing. Damage and update turn state. Update turn state. Stop light shadows. I'm confused. Set damaged. I think this should work. So let me datas. Oh, I don't need this. I have the cheat codes. So here I am. Weapon data scope. Okay, add. Can I enable this thing? Huh? Ah, okay. Okay, shoot. Nothing happens. Nothing happens because this has no collision. This is strange. So add the collision. Collision, add box collision. Shrink. Ouch. Need to scale this thing. And disable the grid. And set the scale size lower. Actually, let's make this more accurate. Like this. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. Scale it more. Oh my god, this scale is so not accurate. Can I? Sphere center. Okay. 5, let's do the 10. Yes, this is much better. And here I scale set it to 300 and duplicate this thing. Okay, how much? So this is gonna be 125, no 100, no 110. Yes, this is totally just fine. Let's do the damage control. Cheats. Add weapon, data scope, okay, and bams. Now this thing was destroyed. Nice. You know what? I think I need to remake this thing, but I'm not sure. Or you know what? Maybe I should add the cool feature like code overlay material. So I will like we will understand much more clear when this damaged. I just again I disable the light. I set visibility to hidden, and for the I stop the counting, and I set this set overlay material to the digitals, so I will play them above this material. And as for the of state, I will simply set the initial material to like empty, like if this was disabled, and see the results. I think this will look much better, and we will get rid of this pixel look through issue. Cool stuff coming. Indeed. So yes, we will have like this stealth game thing. And yes, we got this again. Actually, we see other players like from this distance eventually, of course. Like no shot, we will not see the other player, but we have the ability to, you know, hide the emissive data scope again. So we shoot this thing, everything what is disabled, and we see the overlay material like this one. Like the digitals. And apparently we can like set the material, you know, in more customizable, like we can scale it, I guess so. Actually I ask my brother to make this material, you know, tileable, so without stretches, and with option to scale this thing. Yes, I'm happy with this thing. Street light. Where? Here we are. Yes, I'm really happy with this new approach. Damaged. So what else we got? Set light color. Damaged. Turn state. Everything is default. The only thing that stop goes here, and I need to add start light function, and this from this sphere. What else do we have? Okay, and that's it. And we need to add begin and overlap for this sphere. So I need to make this thing on each light source individually. I could make this on, actually no, I might have couple of these trigger boxes from the OBS. The OBS is reconnecting me. Offline. This is weird. Okay. Come on, OBS. I don't get it. The OBS just crashed. Just stopped.